What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I want to take you through a HIIT style boxing workout. Now whether you want to lose weight or learn how to throw some punches, this is the routine for you guys. We're going to go through 10 different exercises, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. We're going to incorporate boxing with our cardio like moves. We're also going to just do some plain old boxing so that way you guys feel comfortable throwing punches. The punches we throw will not be difficult, so it's great for beginners as it says in the title. And let's go ahead and get ready to start. First exercise we're going to start off with, guys, is jumping jacks. We're going to use this as a warm-up. A couple of seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, whew. All right guys, we have a boxing combination. We have 1, 2, 3. Stay in the same stance. Don't worry about going really fast. Fill out the punches. Hands up, guys. 1, 2, 3. Feel free to move around. Ha, ha, ha. Remember, shadow boxing is a tool. This helps you it influences the way you fight. So you should be very calm, relaxed. You can change your tempo, back, boom. Come right over the top with a 3. Speed it up. All right guys, now we're moving on to the next exercise, and that's gonna be jump rope. So pretend you have a jump rope in your hand. Go ahead, nice little rhythm, guys. Kind of follow my cadence, so go ahead, get the rope moving faster. Slow it back down. Nice rhythm. Knees up, guys. Let's go. Slow it back down. Just have some fun. Speed it up, guys. Let's go. Slow it down. All right, guys, we have a 1-2 with 2 jump squats. So we're gonna throw 2 punches, jab cross, 2 jump squats, a couple of seconds. Show you from right here. Right here, 1, 2, get in position, 1, 2. One more, guys. 1, 2. All right, guys, next up we have 6-5 roll to a burpee. So as soon as we hit that roll, guys, we're dropping to the ground, 1 burpee. So right here, guys, throwing your 6-5 roll, drop, burpee, come right back, roll, guys, right here. Roll. Woo. All right, guys. Now we have 1, 1, 2 roll. All right, guys, so right here, a really good combination. So we're gonna go jab, jab, 2, roll, okay? Pressing our opponent, bap, bap, boom. Shoot that 2, guys. One more, guys. All right, guys, now we have 1, 2, 5, and we're gonna switch. So with this particular combination, this is great for elevating your heart rate. We're gonna switch from southpaw to orthodox, okay? So I'm starting in my southpaw stance, right hand lead. What I'm gonna do, 1, 2, 5, and I'm simply gonna switch to the other side, orthodox. 1, 2, 5. And you're gonna feel a little bit uncomfortable, guys, but that's the whole point. All right, guys, now we have flipping, rolling to a sprawl. A sprawl is like a burpee, but we're not doing full push-up, okay? So follow my lead, guys. What we're gonna do, I'm actually gonna go a little bit more right here, so all this dirt. What we're gonna do, slip, slip, roll, roll, sprawl. Come right back up, right here, slip, slip, roll, roll, sprawl. Sort of like somebody shooting towards you and wrestling, and you sprawl, okay? So right here, slip, slip, roll, roll, sprawl. Come right back up, ready to go. All right, guys, now we have 2, 3 roll, 1, 2. We're just going out with boxing right here, guys. Hands up. What we're doing, 2, 3, roll, 1, 2. Okay, guys? Ha, 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 ha. All right, guys, now we have 1 through 6. So again, we're trying to improve our comfortability and whatever stance we're not used to. Believe it or not, I started out as an orthodox fighter, then I went into being southpaw. So orthodox feels a little weird. What we're gonna do, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't worry about throwing your hooks like this, just whatever you prefer, right here or right here. guys, we just completed a 10-minute HIIT style boxing workout that of course is great for beginners. Hopefully you guys feel comfortable with some of the punches. We didn't go crazy all out with these complex and difficult punching combinations. I wanted to keep it very basic for you guys to properly memorize and maybe practice on your own spare time. I know for me personally, when I was throwing some of the hooks, especially at the end, some of those hooks were very loopy. I'm just used to kind of playing with punches, just throwing stuff like this, kind of like a Muay Thai punch. So I had to really just, Spence, you're throwing boxing punches, not Muay Thai, different angles and all of that. But hey, maybe that might be a different video. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you want something like that. But if you're looking to burn some fat, and with today's routine, it wasn't high impact, high intensity like that. Of course, we could have stepped it up a notch, but I really wanted to make this more of an entry-level routine. And of course, as you guys get better and better, we're gonna up it up to like an intermediate, advanced level. Let me know in the comments if you also want that. But guys, if you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Most importantly, make sure you are properly subscribed. I'll see you guys next video. Peace and love as always. And nah, shade. Boom. We out, baby.